We're doing it on Omega, episode 436, part 1. SWORDSOUL versus SALAMANGREAT. It goes up to game 3, he wins. Let's see what he does. See what happens. A lot of prosperity. 1, 2, 3. Banish those 3. 1, 2, 3. Which one did I get? Emergence. Emergence. Add Moye. Mo activate. Who did I reveal there? Reveal strategist. Get a token. Synchro. Yugioh. Oh wait, that was yeah. I was not able to draw with Moye because of Pot of Prosperity. I added long. Did I add long? What did I add? I think so. Long, discard long, special summon tuner token, synchro for Baron, burn for 12 but it's cut in half because of prosperity, summit, a special Mo, set imperm and blackout. It's gonna mining, send, add, special. SALAMANGREAT is sent to the graveyard, except itself. Spinny was sent, so you can special it. Effect. He was going to dump. What does he do? Discard normal summon or special summon. You can send one SALAMANGREAT card from your deck to the graveyard, except itself. You can only use each effect once per turn. Chainlink 2, Yugioh, banish, emergence, negate. Target, negate. Phalanx is going to discard link summon. You could add one SALAMANGREAT Sanctuary, the field spell, and perm negate. Spinny. If you control a SALAMANGREAT card, wait, no, that's not that one. Which one is it? If you control a SALAMANGREAT monster other than SALAMANGREAT Spinny, and this card is in your graveyard, you can special summon this card, but banish it when it leaves the field. Blackout, I'm gonna tribute, or destroy, and destroy 2. Birth and links. Birth is going to discard a Cyberse, draw 2. If it hits the grave, sets 2 and ends his turn. Rage. Oh, so he was going to target one link monster you control that was linked using the same name, destroy cards up to the... Is it that one or this one? You can send one SALAMANGREAT monster from here. I'm not sure. Baron, negate. Baron pop, and he scooped it. Let's duel wins. Flawless victory. Perfect. Part 2, he came back and won the whole thing. Oh. What is this? Desires, Spanish 10, draw 2, mining. Send one card from hand to the graveyard. Add a Cyberse monster, which is Gazelle. Throw on Birth. Link for Phalanx. and then chain link 2, parallel exceed. If you link someone, you can special summon this card from your hand to a zone that link monster points to. Okay, so draw 2, birth, someone discard 1 Cybers, and if you do, draw 2 cards. If this card leaves the field, okay, discarded, parallel exceed. If this card is special summoned by the effect of parallel exceed, wait right here, if this card is normal or special summon, you could special summon 1 parallel exceed, and then okay, and then they become level 4, number 41, infinite permanence, number 41. Then the roar. When a spell trap or monster effect is activated while you control Salamangreat Link monster, you can negate the activation if you do destroy that card. Negated. A lot of prosperity. I did 6. I did 3. 1, 2, 3, and I got Nibiru, and those were the other 2. Special, and I screwed up here. So attributed itself and its effects was negated. I could have linked into something. I could have normal summoned and linked into something. Emergence or Mo. Normal summon Mo. It goes to defense because of Baguska. Well, this card is face up in face up defense position. Change all face up monster on the field to defense position. Also negate the activated effects of the monsters that were in defense. Okay. Standby. Once per turn during your standby phase, you can detach. No, it says detach 1 material from this card. If you cannot, destroy it. Ugh. Mining. Send Spinny. Add Falco. Falco goes to defense because of 41. And to Wolf. Falco, if this card is sent to the graveyard, you can target 1 Salamangreat spell trap, set it to your field. Roar, coming back. Will of Salamangreat. Will of Salamangreat. During your main phase, you can special summon 1 Salamangreat monster from your hand or graveyard. Special summoned. Okay. Wolf. What's this one? If a monster is normal or special summoned to a zone, to the zones this card points to, except during damage step, you could add 1 fire monster from your graveyard to your hand, but for the rest of the turn, you cannot normal summon, set, or special summon monsters with the added monster's name. What is he gonna add? Because Gazelle's effect was gonna activate, it was gonna dump a Salamangreat card, but Baguska, number 41. It's gonna add a fire, which is Ash, okay. Spinny. Special and defense. He ends his turn because 18 defense. I draw. I set the Imperm. Nope. Standby phase, he gets detached. I link into an update jammer and his wolf. I'm gonna Imperm the wolf. Okay. Was into an access code with those 2. Update jammer. This card is sent to the graveyard. That link monster can make a second attack during each battle phase. Transcode Talker. You can target 1 level 3 or lower Cybers monster in your graveyard except Transcode Talker, special summon to your zone. this card points to. You cannot special summon monsters for the rest of the turn except for Cyber's monsters. And they all gain 500 attack. While this card is co-linked, it and its co-linked monsters gain 500 attack. Also, your opponent cannot target them. Target any of them with card effects. So they get co-linked and co-linked, 500 each, and they cannot be targeted by card effects. Yeah. Go into a transcode or access code, and then update jammer. It's gonna make access code attack twice. Access code is going to pick transcode talker as a link 3, so it's going to gain 3000. This card is link summon. You can target one link monster that was used as material for its link summon. This card gains attack equal to the monster's link rating times 1000. Whew. 53 now can double attack, and it has. You can banish one link monster from your field or graveyard. Destroy one card your opponent control. Also, for the rest of the turn, you cannot banish monsters with the same attribute as a attribute to activate this effect with transcode talker. So that was a wind, so we can't do another wind. Can't banish another wind from field or graveyard. Oh, Nutek wins. Flawless victory. Perfect. Game 3. Double Cyclone. There's 3 Cyclones in the side deck. I think 2 Cyclone and maybe 1 Feather Duster. Moye reveal to get a special summon level 4 tuner token, but then he impermed me. Set the Cyclone. Sign mining. Send, add, normal, link, effect, effect. Gonna add the sanctuary with Balinks. Buffalo is gonna discard or send. Discard the Cybers, which is Falco, draw 2 cards. Jaguar. If you control a link monster, or if you control a Salamangreat link monster while this card is in your graveyard, you can target one Salamangreat monster in your graveyard except itself, shuffle that into the deck, and if you do a special summon this card to a zone your Salamangreat monster points to. You targeted Falco, right? Falco got targeted by Jaguar, okay. Into a wolf. And then if a Salamangreat monster is sent to the graveyard, special summon. Effect, send. Oh god. Send Roar. He summoned with the same name. Add 1 Salamangreat spell trap from your graveyard to your hand. You got Roar. Dang. Gonna attack, I take 100, it's gonna set, end phase, I activate Cyclone. Pop this one, and there was Roar. Pay 1000. Target and banish. Cyclone, pay 1000, target and banish. Normal summon Tai. Summit, special summon Mo from the grave, and the Rage. This guy was a link 2, so we could pop 2 right here, the second one. Wolf, and get back Rage, wow. Jack, shuffle back. Bailing, special summon. Sunlight Wolf. It's gonna add Gazelle, but he can't activate Gazelle from grave. Attack, attack. Set. Probably the Rage. And I had high level monsters. Attack, attack. Oh! Nutek wins. Flawless victory. Perfect. Does he have a deck? Yes, he does. 4, 3, 6. We were at 2-6 or 1268. No wait, we were at 1286. We're at 1268. 436. 436. Here we go. 40 cards. Wow. It's a nice. Still at 264. Comment, share, like if you subbed it, sub if you liked it. See you guys.